You ever notice this? The nicer you are, the less seriously people take you. Pause for a second. Just think about your own life. You reply fast. They reply late. You adjust your schedule. They cancel last minute. You care. They don't even think twice. And somehow, you're still the one trying harder. Think about it. Be honest. When was the last time someone tried that hard for you? Yeah, exactly. That's not kindness. That's you being easy to lose. Let that sink in. Read that again. Easy to lose. If you disappeared for a week, most people wouldn't even notice. Don't answer fast. Actually think. Who would really check on you? Not like a story reply. Not like social media stuff. Actually check. Your list just got very small, didn't it? Not because they hate you, because you're convenient. And convenient people are replaceable. Fast, anytime. No warning. You say it's fine a lot, even when it's not. You smile when you're annoyed. Say yes when you want to say no. Laugh when something disrespects you. Then go home and replay it in your head all night. You know exactly what I'm talking about, because you've done it too many times. Nobody sees that part. Nobody cares either. Harsh, but true. Sit with that for a second. Here's something worse. You think people think about you. They don't. You're stressed about how you sounded. They forgot you even spoke. Everyone is busy with their own mess. You're background noise in most lives. Not special. Not memorable. Just passing by. That's reality. And those friends you trust, some of them don't want you to grow. You already know who I'm talking about. That one person who jokes every time you talk about your plans. That one person who says, be realistic. That one person who low-key kills your excitement. Yeah, them. Another truth? Effort means nothing out here. Nobody cares how tired you are, how stressed you are, how hard you tried. You either show results, or you're invisible. Look around. This is how everything works. Jobs, money, respect, everything. And you're still waiting. Waiting to feel ready. Waiting to feel confident. Waiting for the right time. Stop. Look back at last year. How much changed? Seriously, how much? That silence you're feeling right now, that's your answer. And this one stings the most. Nobody is coming to save you. No one. Read that slowly. No one. Not friends. Not luck. Not someday. If you don't move, nothing moves. Life doesn't chase you. It replaces you. Quietly. That's why being too nice hurts. Not because kindness is bad. Because you forgot yourself. You made everyone else comfortable. And made yourself optional. Optional. Think about that word. Optional. That's how most people see you. Optional people get ignored. Optional people get replaced. Optional people get used. Every time, without guilt. You don't need to be cold. You don't need to be rude. Just stop being easy. Stop being available to everyone. Stop explaining yourself. Stop begging to be understood. Because the more you explain, the less they respect you. Notice that, because the world doesn't reward soft hearts. It rewards strong boundaries. Always has. Always will. Nothing new. You just weren't told. Nobody says this stuff out loud because it sounds negative. But pretending everything is nice is exactly how people waste their whole life. Smiling, helping, waiting, and slowly disappearing. And the scary part? Most people don't even realize it's happening until it's too late. If some of this feels personal, good. It means you finally saw it. And once you see it, you can't unsee it.